Hey guys, it's Brittany Winery with the Wallet Group at Keller Williams Realty. I'm out here in Broken Arrow today. Let's take a walking tour. So as we walk out here, you're gonna see this beautiful, big, oversized lot. And you guys, this home is absolutely gorgeous. The property address on this property is 13717 South 125th East Avenue in Broken Arrow. It is BIXBY Northeast schools. We've got a gorgeous front porch. Lots of space for patio furniture. And let's head on inside. So as we come in here, you're gonna notice this beautiful entry with tile flooring. And we've got a really beautiful staircase. And it opens up into your living room, as well as kitchen dining, and another living room area or formal dining space. So we've got crown molding, beautiful fixtures, spacious living with tons of natural light. It is so beautiful in here. And of course, you have access to the dining room from the living room. All bedrooms are upstairs. First, we'll come in here to the nook space. So again, it's open to your living room. Gorgeous kitchen with tons of storage. So much storage. And again, the natural light in here is just so beautiful. And of course, you've got access to that kind of bonus room that could be an office, formal dining, formal living. And then we've got the laundry room, which again has tons of storage. And look, we've got a second set of stairs right here. So I'm gonna share with you guys that room here in just a little bit. We do have another full bathroom. So this home has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a bonus room that could be a 4th bedroom. So let's go up these stairs and check out the bonus room that could also be a 4th bedroom. So you could see this could be walled in really easily. And they've got it set up as a bedroom. Super spacious. And then you got storage and a closet and also a half bath, which is perfect. And then we've got another bedroom. Great size, tons of natural light. And then here's that main staircase. And this staircase comes off the front of the home. And you got 2 entry points for the master. So here and over here. And then we've got another bedroom. Another full bathroom. And then the master bedroom, which is huge. Nice big vaulted ceiling. Tons of natural light. We've got a nice big closet. And then also an updated bathroom. So pretty. Let's head back downstairs and check out the backyard. This home is listed for $245,000. and it's a little over 2,500 square feet. We've also got this great sunroom, which is a nice addition. And then we've got this really beautiful backyard space. So let me walk out here so I can give you guys the full effect. It is just so beautiful out here. Got an oversized lot. So pretty and peaceful. So for more information on this property, contact the Woolett Group.